We have to admit eating healthy isn't all that bad. There are some really yummy foods that actually taste pretty good, and the best part, you can eat them as much as you want without worrying about your diet. Yeah. That's right. Here's a list of 22 food you can eat a lot of without gaining weight. 1. Popcorn. Popcorn is an efficiently healthy snack. That's because it is a whole grain, and high-fiber whole grains have been limited to a lower risk of heart disease, diabetes, some cancer and other health problems. 2. Celery stick. Celery stick are commonly regarded as diet food or a garnish, but their crunchy morsels are wonderful vehicles for flavor. The humble stick can be dipped, stuffed, blended, pureed, baked, sautéed, used as a stirrer and more. 3. Eggplants. Eggplants are high in fiber and low in calories, making them an excellent addition to any weight loss regimen. 4. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruit are great for skin and digestion. 5. Melon. Melons and watermelons actually help you get rid of excess liquid from your body, so you can enjoy these fruits as a snack all day, every day. 6. Algae. Algae can help your thyroid function by keeping your hormones at a normal level. This results you in preventing from gaining weight. 7. Zucchini. Zucchini is good source of fiber, which is great for weight loss, because it slows down digestion of food and keeps you full for longer. It also has a high water content, which had bulk to want you eat without extra calories. 8. Cucumber. Cucumber has zero fat, low calories, making it an excellent snack for people looking to lose weight. So toss some cucumber in salads or eat them as it is and add a dash of lemon juice, salt and black pepper to stimulate weight loss. 9. Beets. Beets have several nutritional properties that should make them good for weight loss. Beets are low in calories and high in water. 10. Whole eggs. Whole eggs can make you feel more full and help eat fewer throughout day. Eggs are great source of many vitamins and minerals. They are commonly lacking in the diet. Eating eggs, especially breakfast, may just be what makes or breaks your weight loss diet. 11. Pineapples. Pineapples are good for metabolism. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain. The enzyme is found in the juice of pineapple and helps in metabolizing protein, which in turn help burn away the excess belly fat. 12. Apples. Apples are low in calories and high in fiber, with 116 calories and 5.4 grams of fiber per large fruit. They have also been found to support weight loss. In one study, women were given 3 apples, their pears, or 3 oats cookies, with the same calories value, per day for 10 weeks. 13. Salads. Salad is something we all can eat as much as we want, of course without super fattening dressing, but you can make it yummy. 14. Currants and cranberries. It's actually one of the best foods you can eat if you are on a diet. These are great to snack on and also throw into your salad, with no calories and rich in vitamin C. 15. Brassica oleracea. Vegetable that look like small cabbage, broccoli and cauliflower are a brace in the fight against excess weight. They have almost 0 calories. 16. Boiled potatoes. You might think you should avoid potatoes if you are trying to diet because they are high in carbs, but you might be wrong. British Nutrition Foundation has found that potatoes are actually loaded with all sorts of vitamins, fiber and other important nutrients. In a study that measured the satiating index of 38 foods, including brown rice and whole wheat bread, people ranked boiled potatoes highest, reporting that they felt fuller and ate less 2 hours after consuming them. Though potatoes are often shunned because they're considered high in carbohydrates, they shouldn't be. 17. Oatmeal. In the same study of British Nutrition Foundation, oatmeal ranked 3rd in food that make feel full fast. That's because oatmeal are very high in fiber and soak up a lot of water. They also contain a lot of beta-glucan, which according to the scientist at West China Hospital oatmeal helps slow digestion and also helps you absorb carbs. 18. Broth-based soups. Choose tomato or broth-based soups to keep the calories count low. Vegetable soup is an ideal choice to help lose weight. Most varieties of vegetable soup contain 100 calories, lots of fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied so you eat less all day. 19. Legumes. So many beans and other legumes can be beneficial for weight loss. This includes lentils, black beans, kidney beans and some other. Beans and legumes are good addition to your weight loss diet. They are both in protein and fiber, contributing to feelings of fullness. 20. Fish. Both fatty and lean fish can make it easier to lose weight, so both cod and salmon can be part of a reduced calories diet. In one study showed both species that they promote weight loss compared with the group not receiving seafood at all. 21. Cottage cheese. Help you lose weight. One study followed by people who maintained a diet that included high-protein foods like cottage cheese for 1 year. It showed that the diet helped decrease body weight by an average of 6.2 pounds in women and 3.1 pounds in men. 22. Kale chips. They are loaded with all sorts of great fibers and antioxidants. Your body will love and thank you for purchasing these. They might also decrease blood pressure some people, and it might help reduce the colon cancer. If you like the video, share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant updates.